Hey Charlie,
Any guesses?
do you want to know where we're going for your birthday?
Yeah.
We're going to go in an airplane. Do you want to go in an airplane?
Yeah.
Where do you think it should take us to?
It can take us into outer space.
Outer space?
Outer space.
That would be cool. What if we went to where...
You know that book you got from Cody with the big building that you kept pulling up?
What if we take you to where Spider-Man lives? And the Ninja Turtles live?
Yeah.
Where do they live?
Where do they live?
Spider-Man lived at Marvel.
Well, what city does
What
he live
city
in?
does he live in?
New York City.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Would you like to go to New York City? On an
Yeah.
airplane? That's your birthday present. We're going to go to New York City
Yeah,
right
we're gonna
now.
take you to New York City.
Right now.
Right now.
You want to go?
You wanna go?
Isn't that going to be so fun?
Yeah!
Yay! It's going to be awesome. Okay, more soon.